In this video, I'll show you how to use the Robinhood Gold credit card step by step. First, open your browser and go to the Robinhood website, then log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on your profile icon and navigate to the credit card section. Here, you'll be able to view your card details, transactions, and available balance. If your card is approved, you can start by using the virtual card for online purchases or add it to your preferred payment method. For in-store purchases, wait for your physical card and activate it from the same section once it arrives. To track your spending, check the transactions list where each purchase is recorded in real time. You'll also be able to see your cashback rewards automatically applied on eligible purchases. To make payments, go to the payment section, choose your bank account, and pay your balance either in full or partially before the due date. You can also set up autopay to avoid missing payments. That's how you can use the Robinhood Gold credit card to manage spending and earn rewards. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials.